Welcome to Don Carinderia series. Before my friend Anne could react, this is different from the Paz Batchoy from Ilo-Ilo. That version I believe has ginamos and Mickey noodles. What we're going to cook today is called Batchoy Tagalog. I got to know this recipe from my daddy, so this is an homage to him. Let's prepare the ingredients. First, we're going to mince some garlic. Remember to cut off the root end. Cut the garlic into tiny little pieces and then place them in a bowl. We're making sure that everything is prepared before we cook, which is called mise en place. And then we're going to dye some onions. Next, we're gonna remove the skin of a medium ginger. Did you notice my trash bowl? I got this idea from Rachel Ray. In her show, she has this huge bowl as a trash bin. Slice your ginger into strips. When you're done your slicing, put them in a bowl. Mise en place. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Let's start cooking. So we're going to cook the aromatics first. Saute your ginger. Next, we'll add in our onions. Cook the onions until translucent. Next, we'll add in our garlic. Stir it to avoid burning. And we'll add in our pork now. We are going to brown the pork on all sides. It is time to season our pork with salt and pepper and fish sauce. Next, we'll add our pork liver. Keep mixing everything together. Next, we'll add in some water. Lots of water. About 5 cups maybe. Bring to a boil. And then simmer until the meat is tender. Lastly, we'll add our misua. The misua that I got looks like a ponytail, so you may have to cut the misua into short strands. Simmer for 5 to 8 minutes and you're good to go. Always taste your food before serving. This is Batchoy Tagalog. Best served with green onions, fried garlic, and chicharon. This one's for you, Daddy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.